Is the Unity IL2CPP Compiler Services DLL missing error hurting your performance? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your gaming stack. To begin the walkthrough for Unity IL2CPP Compiler Services, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Unity IL2CPP Compiler Services, a runtime services component for Unity IL2CPP environments responsible for memory marshaling and garbage collection coordination between managed and native layers. It supports reliable runtime bridging across execution domains. If damaged, games may terminate during startup with errors such as scripting engine load failure. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The Unity IL2CPP Compiler Services DLL library is a critical dependency of the Unity engine framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you receive the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Unity IL2CPP compiler services. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Most individual downloads of Unity IL2CPP Compiler Services DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes Unity IL2CPP Compiler Services Library Guidance. If this fix repaired Unity IL2CPP Compiler Services dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.